Welcome everybody, it's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man, today's video is all about the ultimate car detailing starter kit for beginners. Before we dive straight into it, I just want to mention, if it's your first time dropping on one of my videos, I encourage you to check out my channel, check out my content. You'll see it's full of car detailing tutorials, product reviews, me out there in the field, actually on the grind, detailing vehicles, incorporating cool cinematics and awesome beats. So yeah mama people, when I was deciding to do a video on this particular topic, a light bulb kind of went off in my head and I said, you know what are the essential, basic, quality, affordable tools and products I would pick up really quick in order to bang out a standard detail and get excellent results. Right my people, and I came up with these few products and tools that I think are awesome and will definitely get the job done and get professional results. So first up, you can see right here, buckets my people. You're definitely gonna need your buckets. I recommend 3 buckets, your wheel bucket, your rinse bucket, and your wash bucket. Right my people? And if you can, drop your trap in all 3 buckets if you want. 2 buckets, but at least 1 bucket. If you can only afford 1, make sure you just drop this one in the rinse bucket. Right my people? Buckets are very affordable. I picked these up at Home Depot for like $5 a piece, right? So keep that in mind. 15 bucks for 3 buckets. Your foam cannon. This isn't the first foam cannon I ever purchased. I still have it. I got this years ago on Amazon. Guess for how much? 20 bucks. Pretty awesome. It's not the best, don't get me wrong guys, but it definitely gets the job done. And that's what we're dealing with today, right guys? Picking up the essential items that are affordable, but will definitely get the job done. Now that you have your buckets, your foam cannon, you want to get your wheels done first usually. That's how I do it. That's my process on the exterior. Bam, you go ahead and attack the wheels. So you're going to need a good wheel cleaner. Here we have it, the P&S Brake Buster wheel and tire cleaner all in one, so you don't have to buy 2 separate products. You see me? This product right here is absolutely awesome. It's dilutable, so you can stretch your money and get more bang for your buck. You understand? So now that you have your brake buster to clean up your wheels, the essential brushes I think you would need is first up your barrel brush, right? This is the Easy Detail long barrel brush, but let me just stress, don't watch the brand too much on these tools. It's more about the type of brush, right? So you're gonna need the barrel brush to get in those barrels. You're gonna need a good brush for the face. This one is the Detail Factory Pro Grip tire brush. Excellent for the face, right my people? All right, also you wanna use a good brush to scrub the tire wall. This is the Detail Factory, I forget what they call it. I know it's from Detail Factory though, but it's designed for the tire walls, right? Yeah man, shout out to one of my viewers. He left a comment on one of my videos about wheel and tire brushes. He told me to try this particular brush out at DazJav. Big up yourself. All right, so that's the essentials for your wheels and tires, right? You have your chemical with the brake buster and you have your essential brushes, right my people? So now you want to go ahead and move along to actually washing the exterior of the vehicle. So you're going to need a good automotive soap. I recommend the Pearl. I use this on the daily. It's awesome stuff. It's affordable. Similar to the brake buster. Just to rewind a bit, the brake buster runs for about 35 bucks a gallon. And the Pearl, this is average guys, right? You can find it for different prices on the internet, but estimated. The Pearl runs for around 25 to 30 bucks also, and that's by the gallon. You can definitely pick them up in lesser quantities, but I recommend you get them by the gallon because you can stretch your money longer that way, right my people? So the Pearl is an awesome shampoo. It's pretty much pH neutral, safe for all finishes pretty much. And you know what? Actually, let me mention, I did a product review on the brake buster and on the Pearl. I did a product review on this product also, the P&S Express Cleaner. This is by the gallon obviously also. So just to recap, we did the wheels, we got the soap, and now we're moving along to the interior. The Express Interior Cleaner is awesome for your interior. So you want to pair that with a couple brushes. Detailing brushes I have in here, guys. Check these out. Brush by the Detail Factory. And you have this, another synthetic bristle brush here, a little bit stiffer. I love this brush. It's probably my go-to brush on the interior. This one is from Chemical, guys. And then you have another Detail Factory brush here, which is Boar's Head, right? So 3 simple detailing brushes you can get. A Boar's Hair one, a synthetic one that's very delicate, and another one here from the Chemical, guys. Also, for your interior, I'll throw this in the starter kit also. Trust me, you're definitely gonna need one of these. Scrub Ninja, awesome to scrub down all those interior panels, seats, whatever. So you have your detail brushes for the interior, and you have your Scrub Ninja. So moving along, that means you're kind of all set for your interior. Guess what, guys? You're gonna need some spray bottles to put your chemicals in, right, my people? Super cheap ones. It works, right, my people? It's not the greatest, but they work. You can pick these up for a couple bucks on Amazon. You can pick these HDX sprayers up in Home Depot, wherever. They're pretty cheap too. This is a 32-ounce bottle. I use these all the time. The trigger, the sprays, this part here, the actual spray mechanism, it's decent. It's not the greatest, but guys, like I said, it's all about the essentials just to get you started. And then they have these 16-ounce bottles here, which are pretty cool. With these, I believe these sprayers are called Talco. You can actually buy these Talco sprayers separately and attach them to most bottles. You can get these on Amazon also in like packs of 6 all the way up to packs of 50. A lot, high quantities. But like I said, very affordable. So now that we have our spray bottles covered, towels, mitts, stuff like that, right? First up, you're definitely gonna need mitts to wash the car, right, my people? I recommend you just get 2 off the rip. These mitts from Chemical, guys, are super affordable. You can get them anywhere from 6, 7, maybe 8 bucks. So I highly recommend you grab, like I said, 2. Because you remember, we're detailing, guys. You want one for the lower panels and one for the upper panels, right? Microfiber towels. Check this out. This is a bag of 36. You can pick this up on Amazon for around 20, 25 bucks. Depending on where you look also online, you can probably pick them up even a little cheaper. So like I said, it's a pack of 36. They're multi-purpose. Check them out. Just, good, affordable, standard microfibers. These days when you get them, they no longer even have the tag anymore that you have to rip off. They come tagless. You can use these on the interior and exterior. Like I said, multi-purpose. So you only need to get this set when you're starting off, right, my people? Clean up your inside, even wipe off your outside, your wheels, whatever, your door jambs. Good stuff, my people. Oh yeah, let me mention also, they're also machine washable. So if you get your pack of 36 and you wash these regularly and you take care of them, they last you a very long time. Same with your mitts and same with a drying towel. You're gonna need a good quality drying towel. This one is the Mammoth from Chemical, guys. You can see it's pretty big in size. This is about 25 to 30 bucks also. There are many drying towels on the market, guys, for around the same price. I love Autofibers, Dreadnought too. It's around the same price. But invest in a good drying towel. And like I said too, machine washable, so it will last you a very long time once you take care of it. Moving along with people, glass. Boom, awesome glass cleaner by Stoners, invisible glass, ammonia free, safe on tint, right? If you're detailing, you want to make sure that you leave streakless glass behind, right, my people? So once you have your glass cleaner and your microfiber towels, you get that streak-free finish, you'll be good to go. Up on the list again, you're gonna need a decent tire shine. Adams, graphene tire dressing. You can pick this up, over the counter too. I want to believe AutoZones have them. Walmart, I believe, has it too. So it's pretty affordable. It's anywhere from 15 to 20 bucks, depending on where you look online. It lasts a pretty long time because a spray dressing offers an awesome shine. And you can pair that with the applicator, right, my people? This is the Adams Hex Grip. These come in like a pack of 3 for like 15 bucks around there. You know what I mean? So just spray directly on, apply it to the tires to get that awesome finishing touch with that awesome tire shine that doesn't sling. Yeah man, so now that we covered all the essentials, I'm gonna leave you with a bonus product I think you guys should invest in. Check it out. It's that Technician's Choice Tech 582. I know most detailers love this product. I certainly do. This is a little bit more pricey per gallon. It's about 40 bucks. Man, I remember when this thing was around 30. It's jumped to like around 40 bucks most places online. However, it is dilutable and it does come in a lesser quantity also. But trust me, if you're just starting out and you might want to leave a little protection on the exterior of the ride, it's good on the paintwork, it's good on the glass, it's good on wheels, the entire exterior, my people. Like I said, it's dilutable, super versatile. You can use it as a drying aid, you can even use it as a clay lube, you can use it as, you know, like I said, to leave a nice layer of protection on the ride. You know, it offers good gloss, slickness, it boosts that hydrophobic properties on the paint. Yeah, my people, the Technician's Choice, once used correctly, will definitely have the end result looking very professional. You understand? So definitely look into that product. Yeah, my people, and that's pretty much the essentials. You know, I think once you have these products and tools right here, you can knock out any standard detail pretty well and have excellent results at the end of it all. You know what I'm saying? I mean, if I had 10 minutes to grab the essentials real quick before I hit the door, just to go knock out a quick detail, I would definitely grab these products, and I know I could knock out the job, you know, and get top tier results. So you don't know, my people, if you beginners out there are thinking of getting started, you know, think about these products. I hope this video will encourage you to actually pull the trigger and just get some products, go out there and start detailing, my people, right? Once again, it's your boy Clean Car Chris coming at you again with another banger video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like up the thing, share up the thing, make sure you subscribe. And before I end this video, I just want to shout out the car detailing nut. That's Andy over there in the UK. Always leaves me awesome comments on my videos. So shout out to you, bro. And again, big up at Neil Details. He's always dropping me some cool comments too. So big up yourself, bro. Every time. We out. Respect.